How to add credit card as a payment method on Shopify. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Shopify and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Tap on your profile at the top left corner and then head over to your settings. You will find the option of payments. Head over to it. It will redirect you to this page. To enable payment methods for customer, tap on Add Payment Methods. Now let's add credit card payment methods. I'm gonna select some of the credit card payment methods which is available in my country. Well, you can see I have added 2 of them. Well, over here it will show you available providers. For example, let me head over to Ocean Payment. It's an app available in the Shopify App Store. You just need to install the app, sign up and connect it to your store. So that's it, and this is how you can add credit card as a payment method on Shopify. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.